My dear students, tired? No, you won't tell. I know that. Is it still you are energetic? Okay. The last two videos, what did you study? HCF and LCM. From the last two videos, you got the good idea about HCF and LCM. HCF related with factors, LCM related with the multiples. To find the HCF, first we have to write the factors, then find what common factors. After that, find the highest common factor. Then you will get HCF. To find the LCM, first you have to write all the multiples. After that, find the common multiples. Then least common multiple, that is LCM. From that terms itself it is clear. HCF from factors, LCM from multiples. To find the HCF, we used prime factorization method. Can you remember that method? You used primes to decompose the numbers, and after that you got the HCF. Similarly, to find LCM, we are using another method that is called division method. Common division method or division method. You see how we can find it. Okay. Two small numbers we can take. 2 and 6. What I am finding? LCM, least common multiple. Without doing this, all of you got it. What will be that? No problem, let's use this method. In 2 and 6, what is the common number? Common factor of 2 and 6? 2. In 2, how many 2's are there? 1. In 6, how many 2's are there? 3. Is it? In 1 and 3, which is the number we can take? 1. If you are taking 1, no result will, that means 1 is common for all numbers. So we don't want to take 1. I have to consider 3. Other than 1, here 3 only. In 1 there is no 3. If nothing is common means you take that number, or you write down that number. 1 you can write down there. In 3, how many 3's are there? 1. So you stop this procedure if you are getting last 1 and all. If you are getting all ones, then you can stop. So LCM of 2 and 6 equal to, this side you see what are the numbers? 2 into 3. So LCM of 2 and 6, least common multiple of 2 and 6 is 6. We know that. If you are writing the multiple, surely we will get the least common multiple, or LCM is 6. Okay. Similarly, one more we can. That is 12 and 15. In 12 and 15, which is the prime number we can consider? 3. 4 3's are 12. 5 3's are 15. In 4 and 5, any common number? We cannot write. So, 2 I can take. In 4, 2 is there. In 5, there is no 2. The same 5 you can write. Okay. Again 2 I can write, because in 2 and 5 they are primes. Nothing will be common. In 2, 1 2 is there. In 5 there is no 2. That same 5 you can write here. Then in 1 and 5, what is common? 5 only. 1 not possible. In 5, how many 5's? 1. So, LCM of 12 and 15 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. Is it? So the answer is what? 60. LCM of 12 and 15 is equal to 60. LCM is equal to 60. Okay, I think you can understand. See, if there are three numbers, the same procedure you can write. The three numbers are 20, 25, 30. In 20, 25, 30, you cannot find a number which is common for the three, 20, 25 and 30. So you just take the number 2 because 2 is in 20 and 30. In 20, how many 2's are there? 10. In 25, there is no 2. So write down the 25. In 30, 15 2's are there. Okay. Again, the numbers what you are getting? 10, 25, 15. In 10, 25, 15, there is no number common. So in 10, you can take 2. So in 10, how many 2's are there? 5. In 25, there is no 2. So 25 you write down. In 15, there is no 2. Write down that 15. In 5, 25, 15. What is common in that? 3 is common in 15, so you just take. It is not compulsory to take what is this number first like that is up to you. Maximum, if you are taking a number, you can divide that number with maximum numbers. Okay, in 15 5 3's are there. In 5 and 25 there is no 3, so that number write down. And 5 25 5 is common. When you are doing like that, you are getting 151. Again 5 is common, so at last you are getting 111. You take your own time to understand, children. It is very easy. First itself you think that it is very easy, you can, is it? Don't worry about it. It is very simple. If you are thinking you cannot do it, means never. You just understand you can do this. I'll give some time to understand. Please go through this. All of you must. Don't skip it. Numbers 20, 25, 30. In 20, 25, 30, there is no number common. But in 20 and 30, 2 is common. That is why you can select 2. Divide with 2. If 2 is not, means write down that number. Then select next number. Should be prime numbers. Okay, and so on. Think. Okay. Then let's see the next question. 60 and 45. Same way. Okay. Let's do the problems. Do one thing. All of you take the book and write. Right? Next side heading you write LCM by division. LCM by division. All of you write LCM by division. LCM by division. Okay? LCM by division. Okay. Write this question. Twenty, 25, 30. The same you can write like this, children. 20, 25, 30. In 20 and 30, 2 is there, so 2. 10 2's are there. In 25, there is no 2, so write down the same number. In 30, 15. If 2 dividing by 2 is very easy, just take the half. In 10, 25 and 15, what is the number? 3 in 5 is there, otherwise in 10 2 is there. The same you can write. 5, 25, 50. Okay, you just copy. It's better you copy this. Copy means do in your book, and if you are getting mistake or your doubt, you have any doubtful means you just look at the screen. Okay, you are getting that much time. You utilize maximum 3 numbers 20, 25, 30. First divide with 2. If it is not common for all the numbers, find out in 2. In 2 numbers there is a common factor means you just take. Okay. All of you understand well because Google form is waiting to fill. Okay. Completed. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. What is that number? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5, 60. 60 into 5, 300. So LCM of, how can you conclude? LCM of, what are the numbers? 20, 25, 30. Is it equal to 300? LCM of these three numbers is equal to 300. Okay. Then do this one. 60 and 45. Question you write. Find the LCM of 60 and 45. Find the LCM of 60 and 45. I won't show that. Do yourself. 60, 45. Think what is common. You can take the prime numbers. 2 is the prime, 3 is there, 5 is there. Use divisibility rules. If a number ending with 0 or 5, which number? This number can be divided by which number? 0 and 5. 60, 45. Then proceed. You continue up to getting the last numbers are 1, 1. Because here 2 numbers only there. 1 and 1. Okay. Speed up. If you think this time is not enough means please pause it. Okay, I am going to show that. So, what is the LCM? You got this? It's tough for you? No, you can. You think. Surely one by one it will come to your mind. So, what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So, LCM of 60 and 45 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. What is that? What is that number? 36 into 5, is it? You all know that. 180. 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12 into 3, 36 into 5. Okay. So HCF and LCM, the concept is over. It is very important, children. You must know how to find the HCF and LCM starting with two numbers, but you can continue for three and four numbers. And to find HCF, you can use prime factorization method. To find LCM, you can use this division method. Practice well. Okay. Then, do you think that why you are studying this chapter HCF and LCM? Is it? Anybody thought like that? Why we are studying this? What is the use of this? You may think. Okay. This HCF and LCM to apply in our real life situations or day to day life situations. That type of word problems you can see. Okay, if I am telling like that, sometimes you cannot catch it. But surely you will meet such situations in your real life. Okay, some examples I can show you. Can you read? Where to use HCF and where to use LCM. Is it in your textbook? So many exercise questions and examples are there. Okay, so all of you after this class, today's session, you just take your textbook and go through that. To do all their problems, this table will help you. Okay, so if you have such idea, surely you can find the answers of that type of word problems. Actually, you need to do the word problems first and after writing a summary this. But here I am just giving this type of instructions, isn't it? Then using this one, you will be able to do that problems in the textbook. Okay, so let's see this. First, we can use HCF. The situations to split things into smaller sections. That type of situations, you know that. To equally distribute two or more sets of items into their largest grouping. Is it? If there are some boxes, you have some mangoes. How can you arrange these mangoes or maximum number of mangoes in given boxes like that? To figure out how many people we can invite. If there is a function, maximum number of this one. So from each house, how many people you can invite. To arrange something into rows and groups. Isn't it? That all situations, you know. Where to use LCM about an event that is or will be repeating over and over. It's repeating, that round is repeating. To purchase or get multiple items in order to have enough. To figure out when something will happen again at the same time. Okay, the same situation. So, one more thing I can say you, that is HCF you can use where if you can see the words like highest, smallest, sorry, I can start with HCF, highest common factor or greatest common factor. So you can use, if you can see this words, greatest, longest, maximum, tallest, is it? If you can see these type of words in your question, you can use HCF. Isn't it? Similarly, where you can use LCM, just opposite of that. Least, shortest, minimum, smallest. Okay, in all these situations, you can use LCM. Okay, so the important thing is word problem, isn't it? So you write this one. We can conclude this chapter by that concept. So how many word problems remaining? The last concept is this one. All of you write. Can you see the screen? I think you can copy this. If it is not possible, surely I will send this image. Okay. I hope that all of you understood the concept of LCM and HCF. This one we are using in our day-to-day life situations like these type of problems. So, be happy children. Thank you.